What's up, guys? I'm on an airplane right now. Look at this. Whoa, it's insane. And then look at my family's over there. Okay, yeah, I didn't do my intro because that would be kind of weird. I'm surrounded by a whole bunch of strangers. Let me talk closer so I can talk quieter. I have absolutely no idea who I'm going to be sitting with, and she's not talking to us. I thought she was. But yeah, we're heading to Chicago. Chicago, guys, and they're actually on some turn of events. We're going to be meeting up with some friends who are actually on the same flight as us. So it's a split flight, and I'm just like videoing myself, and people are trying to come walk through, and it's kind of awkward. Just sit here. But look, guys. Look outside, it's fabulous. I'm like waiting for people to go. Okay, it's something y'all probably don't know about me. I absolutely hate window seats. Like I don't know why, but I cannot stand them. It's just some weird phobia I have. And so I always have to sit in the aisle seat. It's not that I won't do it. Like, if I absolutely have to, I'll sit in the window seat, but it's just incredibly uncomfortable for me, and I will be, like, on edge the entire ride. More people are walking by, and it looks like I'm talking to myself, so, like, yay. Just a crazy weirdo. My sister's over there taking selfies. Look at that fabulousness. Say hi. Anyway, I can't wait to get flying and start heading home. So yay! We actually got to the airport at like 2 for a 5:15 flight, and I just find that really, really funny. And like we got to be one of the first people to board because my brother has like a fractured rib, so that was cool. Waiting for people to board. Can't wait to start flying. Yay! I'll probably do another video when I make it to Chicago. Chicago. Everybody loves Chicago. Actually, right now it's 5 degrees in Chicago. So when I get there, I'm gonna be like, brr. Cause like, yeah. People are still boarding, but it's gotten fewer, and so I actually think I might be sitting by myself the entire flight, which would be lit, bro. Because then I could probably, if more people are coming back, because then I could probably make more videos like this and then do that kind of stuff for y'all. This is your seat? Okay.
Thank you.
Guess I'm not alone, guys. Yay. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys later. I have someone else in my seat. Yay. This is so awkward. But yeah, I think I'll end the video here so there's someone is next to me. And see you guys later. So bye.